In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to trade on Bybit mobile app. So this is a quick tutorial. You want to have the Bybit app, of course, downloaded on your mobile device. And when you locate it, you want to open it. And right here in your Bybit app, you have the different options in your dashboard. So if you want to trade on your Bybit mobile app, all you have to do is to look at the bottom area of your dashboard. You have markets and you have trade. You also have assets. Now, these are buttons you can actually click to get to the trading zone. So we're going to click on the first one here, the trade, and it takes you immediately to where you can trade. Now, if you look at the top left corner here, you have ETH to USDT. You can choose to buy or you can choose to sell it. Now, if you want to change the ETH to USDT, you can simply click on the name there, and then you have other options. Now, this is basically pairings with USDT. You have BTC, ETH, USDC, SOL. And if you want to change it from USDT to something else, you can actually look to this area here where you can actually change the crypto or fiat currency. So say we want to do something else with BTC. So we're going to click on BTC, and then you can see that what you could be selling against or buying against is the BTC. Now it's changed to BTC for everything. Now we're going to select XRP BTC. So when we select it, you can now see that XRP BTC is currently what we'll be trading with. You can choose to buy or you could choose to sell it. Well, if you choose to sell, you have to make sure that you have this cryptocurrencies or you have funded your wallet with the equivalent of the cryptocurrencies that you'd be dealing with. Now, if you want to buy, all you need to do is to click on buy, and you can also set the quantity. Now, the quantity gauge can be set to 25% of your current holdings, or to 50%, to 75%, and to 100%. Now, say you want to put it at 50% or 25%, we could leave it right there. And you could also set your take profit or stop loss. You could go ahead to buy your XRP. So basically, this is the trade zone, and you have to make sure that you know what you're doing in order to trade. But when you come over to the trade button here, you can find the option to trade on your Bybit. So this is how you can trade on your Bybit mobile app.